So there's a snowstorm supposedly happening tomorrow, and I don't have school tomorrow. And I know it's been literally a month, like nearly two, since I've done one of these. So I'm just gonna do a quick stroll through the woods today, do it tomorrow, put both of them up. Because why not? See if any trees fall, that'd be fun. Steaks, zoom out a bit. Steaks, gotta buy a tree, some more stuff, sand. Not sand, but you know. Collected things. Oh, that thing's grown. Nope. Oh. Crazy things grow in 2 months? Wow. What? Barren. Yeah, I don't think I need to show you all that. That area is always the same. Wow, that's probably good. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be painful to listen to later. I just cut off like 5 leaves. What the heck was that? Okay. Pretty much the same as last time. A little muddy. Yeah. I don't know if I have this on part of something. Hey, get off my shovel. Bit of bird poop stuck on my shovel because I had to clear off a giant chicken turd from one of my. I don't know I was clearing it from. A lot of birds over there. Hey. Broken. Still sturdy somehow. Still terrifying looking. Actually, I think I was there. I was gonna say, is that new? Yeah, because I had to do this stupid jump. There's a rock there. I like that. Just bring up the shovel quickly. Ooh. I don't see the deer. I don't smell a deer. Oh! Get that real zoom in. I think the deer's dead. Just nearly had me. That's cool. Vultures really did do their job there. Don't want to take the long. Don't want to take the super long way around. I'm just gonna nice view of that. View of that. Ooh, I know I just jumped. Okay. Really did not want to fall and break an ankle. That would not be a good way to spend the day at home. Might do it tomorrow, but like That's a tomorrow issue, not now. Can't wait to do more research stuff tomorrow. Conifers, hardwoods, stupids. I thought that was my shovel ringing. I was like, huh? It's going for so long. Let's shake it. Oh, it's dusty. Ow, my foot. I still don't like going near that deer. I don't know why. I think 'cause it's dead. So, like, you know, all that stuff. I don't want to get sick from any potential bacteria, even though it's probably not much, because if he eats bones, I don't know how bones work. Huh. Yeah, I'll go this way first, why not? Yeah, this mess is still here. That is really sharp. I don't like that. Still looks about the same. The hole is still there. That's gonna be filled with snow. The stick is here. I'm gonna pop it up so I'm able to find it tomorrow. Maybe, hopefully. It was goopy underneath. Ah, that's a lot of... I wasn't sure if that was like that last time. That's a lot of red. I don't know why that's red. Oh, there, that's new. Pretty sure. Oh, that was just... I expected that to get a bounce, not just a... That'll be fun to look at tomorrow. Oh, that thing probably full of water, too. And yeah, that's gonna be fun to see how much has changed in a single day because of snow. Doing the same thing. I think a day and 12 hours change about. Actually, no, it's 4 or 3 what I did last time, and it is now. What? Okay, I'm still doing it. So there's a lot of rain out. Not a lot, but a little bit. At least this time I'm trying to actually make sure my phone is just pointed forward the whole time. Because if it points down, it's gonna look very boring. Ooh, man, look at all this snow. I don't remember that thing being broken. Looked like it just ripped out like spirit somewhere. This tree is pretty festive. Oh yeah, there's also a tiny tree blocking the middle of my driveway. Yeah, so this snow is pretty thick. I mean, like up to here. That thing's heavier. Totally. And Snow's in my shoes. I don't like it. Darn it. Okay. I'm not climbing out of that easily. I know I slipped. I did slip. Now my left hand's freezing cold, so I'm going to have to use my snow hand, gloved hand, to hold the phone probably, which is also covered in snow. I meant to say, things low as heck. Tire's still there. What the deer looks like. Nothing's bent. Tire. Oh, birds. Bigger birds. Yeah. Snow. Well, birds don't really mind me walking through here. Never mind, they do mind a bit. See all the bird tracks all over the place? I'm gonna try to start the bird tracks. I got the log up here. That's gonna be a fun jump. Actually, go out and crawl under it in the snow. Oh, that looks really fun. Probably should have taken my shovel. Oh, God. I 100% just filled my shoe. Lesson learned, do not drag your foot through snow. Sideways. Not a smart idea. Good thing I'm only going to be out here for a little bit. Unless something stupid happens. That is a fun. Oh crap! Oh, my foot. Ooh, that did not feel good. I don't think these were here last time. Very festive. I think that's a deer. There's not a deer there anymore. I can't wait to get back inside and have my phone yell at me by that there's water on it. Like, no way. Man, I definitely broke a branch there. Ow. I don't like having to break branches that on things that aren't dead. Ooh, that was cool. I've not done that one before. And that a jump like that, I've climbed over it. I just haven't vaulted it like that. Holy fudge, who? Me crap, my foot's cold. I can feel my left foot. Or the side on the right. There's no tree here. What are you talking about? There's no pool there. What are you talking about? Ooh. My God. My feet. if I'd be able to push that tree down. I feel like I named it. Did I name it? I don't know. Also, it snowed like all day yesterday. Nope. Looky. Cold. Quite a bit. Probably hurry up. That's full of snow. Not full, it's full of bottles and stuff, but a lot of snow in it too. Brown tree. I had no clue if that was like that before. There was a lot of pops out in the woods last night. So either someone was firing something, or could be that. That one's been like that. That one's dead. I don't remember it being dead. Yeah. Stick was... No. I think the stick was over here. Is it? Oh, no, there's a stick. This is uncharted territory. That tree is definitely gonna fall soon. Hey, crap, my friends. She's at coldsies. My ear just got sliced by a tree. Son of a bum. Try one tree, or two. Smaller one. See that one. The second one was more like it. I really want like a really wide road for this, because it'd be so much easier to walk through than holding my phone. And yeah, it's what it looks like after snow.